Heddiw mae'n gêm bwysig I Porthmadog ac I ni Caersws, gêm play-off yr Ardal Leagues, felly pwy efo'r sy'n ennill heddiw yma sy'n cael mynd fyny i'r Cymru North.
O'n i'n ochr o train station bora yma, wedyn mae yna dipyn wedi dod lawr, 2 can tren oedden nhw. Da ni wedi bod yn siarad drwy'r wsos efo'n gilydd, wedi bod yn treinio'n galad, wedyn a pawb yn gwybod mae'n dod lawr I heddiw.
When I first joined Caersws, I was 18 years old as a player. Porthmadog and Caersws were both in the Welsh Prem. When I took over, they were down in Tier 3, and it was always our ambition to get them, minimum back to Tier 2 and see where we progress from there.
You talk about the history of the club, it's massive, it's been very successful and in recent times it hasn't been so successful, and for us now it's about today getting us back to that promotion, getting us back to Tier 2 and then looking forward then to potentially keep building towards that Welsh Premier spot.
I'd say Caersws is a bit like a fallen giants from mid-Wales football, but we're here now and the task in front of us to try and beat Porthmadog and get back up to where I believe Caersws should be.
I think this season you've got to look at Ardal. He's been absolutely fantastic. He's progressing, he's developing as a player, as an individual, as a person, as a young man. He's getting stronger and stronger. So he's definitely one to watch for us today.
Paul Lewis I Porthmadog ar y volley dros y bar. Steffan Harry oedd I ar ei linell yn ddew. Rhys Alun. Alun! Doedd hwn am y bet. Alun I gosod I at Gareth Jones-Evans. Nôl I gyfeiriad Alun. Rhys Alun! A mae Porthmadog ar y blaen.
Oli mynnodd ia! Oli mynnodd!
Dewi Thomas yn troi yn y cwrt.
Se fyrstu, Dewi!
Jones-Evans yn ergydio. Mae'n edlamu flaen y golwr. A Rhys Alun yn claddu ail o'r pnawn. Jones-Evans yn ei dwyni. Fe wedi creu tryder I Rhys Alun. Alun ar hat-trick. A mae'r dathlu'n dechrau go iawn.
No, paid!
Mae Rhys Alun wedi cael hat-trick.
Rodgers! Harry'n arbed yn wych.
Save keeper!
Number 14, Rhys Alun Williams.
Ben Fisher yn croesi at y postyn pellad. John Littlemore. Pedwaredd I Porthmadog. Lewis yn dwy'n y bêl ryd. Paul Lewis yn benderfynol. Ac mae fewn. 5 I Porth. A Porthmadog sy'n fuddigol ac yn codi I Cynghreiriau Gogledd.
Un o'r cefnogwyr gorau rownd yr ardal, rili. I gael 1,300 yma heddiw yn sporti ni, wedi briliant. O'n i'n cerdded I cae yn crynu, yn siarad efo neb hollol nyrfus. I ddod ar y chwarae a sgwrdd 3, anhygol yndi, ond briliant.
Where do you start, boys bach? It's been unbelievable. Diolch yn fawr iawn i'r cefnogwyr. They've turned out in their numbers today. It's been absolutely superb. We played the game rather than the occasion, and all credit to the players for that. They were absolutely brilliant to a man. Well, I did say before the game when you asked me who was the one to watch, and it was Rhys Alun. He's been like that all season, and he's starting to get his rewards now for his hard work. Oh, yes, Simar, it's going to be a long night now to celebrate.
Bendigedig. Does yn geiriau I ddisgrifio fod. Dwi'n bod yn cadeirau sy'n gamlan ar bron, a dre arbennig un tawr o'n beth. Mae o'n mor beth, dwi'n hapus pawb sy'n yma, y cefnogwyr I gyd sy'n bod efo ni dros y blynyddoedd. Prynu lawr yn gwlod a I cael diwrnod o'na, briliant, gwych.